All right, it is time for a CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. We've got this guy with eyes, starting out, trying to go fast, including typing the word style. Background for the HTML is going to start as just this off-white color. The center part, I think the play might be some sort of a scaled border. I am not fast or good at that, so that's not how I'm going to start. I'm going to start with the background of the blue color, and I'm going to margin it into place. The center, I'm going to margin into the center. That's going to be 100 and 150. It's not right, but it's close. 160. That is it. And I'm going to box shadow it up, which is 0, 100. That's going to be down 0 to 90 pixels. 110. 110. I'll be this blue color. Then 0 minus 110 blue color. Now I'm going to go back up to the HTML. And people don't usually do gradients as part of the HTML. I'm a dummy. So radial gradient. They don't usually do it when they're trying to go fast. Excuse me. A lot of people do it. A lot of people don't do it when they're trying to go fast. I'm still trying to go fast, but I'm going to do it anyway. So there's the basic. I'm going to use the 1Q aspect ratio. I don't know what that is. 40 pixels. Pixels. Can't see it. It's under the other part. I'm going to say 0, 0. I don't know what the spacing is. 150 pixels. 200 pixels looks right. Might be a match. That is a match. We are at 17:45, so 2 minutes, 15 seconds. I can take that. Okay. I mean, 203 characters. Minified, it's going to be 150. This is not a terrible solution for 2.5 minutes. There's some easy stuff like color, blue. It's going to save a character, but we could also, I don't know if this is going to be short, inset 5-inch 0, and then get rid of that. Also move it off screen, top or bottom. And then we could just do a normal box shadow with it. But the thing that I actually want to explore is not doing that at all. Sorry. Come on. Do this on. Do this on. There we go. Okay. The thing that I actually want to explore is some sort of a border. 40 pixels. Dash. It's going to end up in blue. I think that's still there. Yeah. All right. And then margin 0, 120, 40, 60. Okay, that's something. The gap is too big for the, so the, no, yeah, the gap is too big. The solid part isn't big enough. I don't know if I can fix that. Let's see what scaling it does. Scale. So I don't want to scale. I don't think I want to scale on X. Maybe I do. Yeah, I think I actually do. So scale 2, 1. Scale 2, 2. That makes the gap bigger as well. 2, 1, 2.5. That makes the gap smaller, but it also makes the colored part smaller. 3. That just makes it wider. But maybe I could play with this. Can this be 20? Could it be 60? 10. I am not smart enough to do this. Let's go back to 40. Let's get rid of the scale. Let's be stupid. Let's get rid of that. Let's margin this. Margin 0, 160. And then let's move the border up here. Not sure why that broke. Oh, interesting. Let's make this just ampersand for a minute so I can figure out what's going on. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Why did that break my background completely? Usually I have trouble not getting the keeping the background from repeating. Today I can't get it to repeat for some reason. I don't know. That is interesting. That's 160. It's making the background so small. Okay, that's something. Now I have the same problem as I had before. It's just not on the body. Whoops, not 8. I don't know what an 8 selector is, but it's nothing I want. Okay, now can I say margin 0, now minus 20, 40, minus 40, 30, 20. Oh, it doesn't make the middle one bigger. 10. Background 0. 40. 50. 30. That's all right. Let's make this solid red for a minute, and then this dashed. Still there? Yes. Okay. So the top Will it come down quite far enough? So it would, if it was minus 10, it would come down further, right? Now it's too far. Maybe it was already too far. Maybe it's minus 30. Okay, that looks like the right place for it to come down. Now, if this is dashed, can it come? This is going to mess up my. So nothing's changing the size of the center until I get too many. Hmm. The center one's not growing. That's not necessarily a problem. Oh, I'm adjusting both while I'm adjusting this as part of the problem. Okay. Yeah, that's part. See, when I'm adjusting the size of the HTML, I'm also adjusting the size of the body, which I didn't recognize. So minus 40 minus 40, it's exactly the same. What if this were border inline? Really? Oh, because I'm using both sides. It's squished together. Oh, yeah, that's okay. That's okay. So can this be like, no? Why? Because it has the borders on top and bottom. So it needs to be minus 40. That's where it matches. Minus 40. Okay, what if we're minus 30 and minus 30? It still doesn't make the middle bigger. It's the middle staying the same size. 20, 20, 40. All right, this is too far, so 30. In the bottom, yeah, the problem is still that middle piece. It's just not wide enough. Hmm. Oh, so close. It's just going to repeat. One foot worked. I need one more somehow. All right. What I don't even know what I had. My solutions. I should probably be better about actually paying attention when I get to something. Uh, this is not the best version of this. A slightly better version is this color, that, no background, no color here, no color here, inset to inch 0. Do I have any pixels? Yeah, they already replaced them. Minify, submit. That's going to be it for now. I'm going to play a little bit more with the borders. I don't even know if it's shorter. Another option would be to move this off screen and you can get rid of the inset keyword and just do a normal box shadow down with it. Might be a few characters shorter. That may be it for today. I don't know. We'll see. If that is it, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.